Oh. She is nesting. There, is this a duck? Oh, Canada. It's a Canada geese. It's nesting. Look at that. I don't want to be near her because she just gonna attack me. I'm just taking a video right now. Oh, it's very fun.